Welcome back to another Seek Optics replacement lens video. Today we'll be taking a look at the Nike Skylon EXP. Alright, so you want to start by grabbing your frames right here, and you want to put your thumb under here, and so basically you're going to kind of pull towards you or pull away from you this way, and this one down. So, and it just pops out like that, nice and easy. And then the same thing over here, you're just going to kind of pull back on this and push up on this. And it's going to do the same thing. Nice and easy to remove. Okay, and then to put them back in, you're going to want to start from the back. Seat that first. And then you're going to do the same thing where you kind of push up here and then push down into here, and it'll go up. And then on this side, we're going to do the same thing. Going to seat the back first, like so. Oops. And then you just push up. So pretty easy. Alright, if you like this video and you want to see more, why don't you like and subscribe to us, and follow us on all of our other social media. Have a great day.